some of the actual chronology of how I've seen material and absorbed Jane Austen is in this. I have first seen Bride and Prejudice,
Oh,
and we will talk about it. But I have first seen Bride and Prejudice, the Aishwarya Rai one. Then after that I was like, oh, this is fantastic. And then someone's told me, oh, but this is a remake of an English movie. And I'm like, oh, tell me more. Then I have seen Pride and Prejudice, which is also why I fell in love with Pride and Prejudice, because I was like, I have seen it in an Indian context where they are talking about arranged marriages. They're also talking about what happens when women fall in love with white men. When Indian
yes.
brown women are falling in love with white men.
Thrown in? Well, I don't want you turning India into a theme park. I thought we got rid of imperialists like you.
I'm not British. I'm an American.
Exactly.
And they also show like what class and like culture differences can look like. Actually, Bride and Prejudice very beautifully explores all of those concepts from a very Indian lens.
Killing, it's what everyone's wearing in Mumbai.
But we want Balraj to look into Jaya's eyes, not your mummy's.
It was such an amazing movie, and to watch as an Indian woman when you're growing up, you have access to all of these Bollywood movies, which are great. They're amazing. Some of them are okay, but some of them are really, really good. There's no shade there, but it's hard to find relatability there because a lot of those women were falling into the trope of either manic pixie women or women who are fixing men in some form or the other.
Can I just say, when I was watching Bride and Prejudice when I was really young, what stood out to me was the fact that there are problems in her side of the family.
Yeah.
And he's saying, but it is my ownership to help you with it. And one of the reasons I was so mind blown by it was because since childhood, you're so exposed to all of this other pop culture element which says, अरे लड़की की side of the family को तो इतना importance नहीं मिलता है.
We're really indebted to you.
No.
A problem that her sisters have created.
Yes.
He has gone and fixed, which is needed in life.
Also-
Honestly, it's needed. In Hindi movies, the woman is rejecting the man where there's a lot of misunderstanding about his character and all of those things.
Hmm.
But for the woman to reject
Yeah.
the man simply because on a principle, she is like, no. And then he makes himself better and then comes
अरे
back.
that does not happen in any cultural movie.
Mistake. But I was right. You're the last person I'd ever want to be with.